Jose, I have a question. If
Yeah.
I think about my German customers, if I have the 4 elements here,
Yeah.
and I as a lady would present that, they would say, oh God, this is really esoteric here.
Okay, you can say it's esoteric, but you can say it's something from the ancestors, because almost every culture has elements,
Yes.
even Chinese, in Orient, even Japanese have them. And you need some poetry. You need to apply to your tools the same principles that you are trying to apply into design thinking. If we design a tool for design thinking without poetry, without history, without a narrative, without images, without something iconic, taking into account people, we are not being coherent with our tool. Then design thinking is that we need some poetry inside.
And it is also about feelings. And I just remind Professor Harari, he said that what makes us different from artificial intelligence is that we are humans and that we have feelings.
And symbols.
Yes, and visuals.
For example, we have visuals. I didn't put the accent on that, but there are
the water,
there are the water,
the fire,
the air, and the earth.
And the,
okay, and all those are represented in. There is a clue here.
I see.
There are more information than you see in the first sight.
Oh, it looks really Asian. So you have here the air and the fire.
And
so
you are combining, in fact.
It creates something new. If I would only put air, I lose the energy.
In fact.
I see. So there is a kind of metaphors from the ancient history, more or less, structures of social behavior. I mean, this is what is behind it. Organizing emotions, structures, temperaments, everything which has to do with humans. And this is not a technical tool for algorithms, it's about humans.
You use techniques to be humans. And humans need poetry and art. We try to make it very clear but attractive too.
Thank you very much.